Welcome to our gardening channel. Today, we're exploring the magic of regrowing kitchen scraps. We'll show you how to turn leftover carrots, cabbage, onion, parsley, and mint into thriving plants. Here are the benefits of regrowing kitchen scraps: reduce waste, turn scraps into thriving plants. Save money, grow your own fresh produce, fresh flavor, harvest herbs and veggies at their peak. Sustainable living. Close the loop on food waste. Easy and fun, simple process for beginners and experts alike. The best time to regrow kitchen scraps depends on the plant and your climate. Here are some general guidelines. Carrots: regrow carrot tops indoors year-round or transplant outdoors in spring or fall. Cabbage: regrow cabbage bases indoors, then transplant outdoors in early spring or fall for best results. Onion: regrow onions indoors year-round or plant outdoors in spring or fall. Parsley: regrow parsley indoors year-round or sow outdoors in spring or fall. Mint: regrow mint indoors year-round or plant outdoors in spring or summer. Check local climate and frost days for specific guidance. These 5 easy plants to start with: carrots, cabbage, onion, parsley, and mint offer a great way to dip your toes into regrowing kitchen scraps. Plant 1. Carrots. First up, carrots. Don't toss those tops, they can regrow into delicious greens. Cut the top off, leaving about an inch of stem. Place it in a shallow dish with water, making sure the cut end is submerged. Keep it in a sunny spot and within days you'll see new growth. These greens are packed with nutrients and can be used in salad, soups, or as a garnish. Plant 2. Cabbage. Next, cabbage. Save the base of your cabbage head and place it in a container with an inch of water. New leaves will start growing from the center. Transplant it into soil when roots develop and enjoy fresh, crunchy greens all season long. Plant 3. Onion. Plant onions are super easy to regrow. Plant the root end in soil and new green shoots will appear within weeks. Keep the soil moist and provide plenty of sunlight. You can harvest the greens when they're ready and even get a new bulb. Plant 4. Parsley. Plant parsley is another herb you can regrow from scraps. Place a fresh stem in water, making sure the leaves stay above the waterline. Roots will develop in about a week. Transplant it into soil and enjoy a continuous supply of fresh parsley. Plant 5. Mint. Last but not least, mint. Place a fresh mint stem in water and roots will develop quickly. Mint is super easy to grow and can be used in teas, cocktails, or as a garnish. Just be sure to contain it as it can spread quickly. That's it. Regrowing kitchen scraps is a fun and sustainable way to reduce waste and enjoy fresh produce. Give it a try and happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Enjoyed this video? Give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which plants you're excited to regrow.